Hello and welcome to this seated yoga flow. We're going to start in your seated positions, just ensuring that the sit-bones are comfortable and there's no bunching of clothing, limbs or mat. No props are necessary for this practice, but if you like to have a blanket nearby, please do so. Otherwise, we're going to take the hands onto the thighs, fingertips lightly onto the knees. And we're going to take a few shoulder rolls. We're going to take the shoulders up towards the ears, rolling them back. Make a little bit of creaks and cracks, depending on the time of day. Taking one more roll back, we'll pause, and then we'll begin to roll forward, taking 3 to 4 rolls of the shoulders rising and waving forward. And pausing, shoulders rising, we'll roll back, getting some length in the spine. And beginning to take the arms up overhead. YMCA, hovering, maybe a high five. Taking a moment here, lengthening, and then we'll begin to release our left hand down, taking a gentle side stretch. Left hand might walk a little bit further away. We're going to begin to sweep that right hand down as we take the hands over towards the right. Left arm rising. Taking a gentle side stretch, keeping the sit bones in contact with the earth. And again, we'll begin to release that left hand, rainbowing the hands, coming over to that left side. Exhaling, tracing over towards the right. Releasing, we'll come through to a gentle forward fold. Melting down, hands might be as wide as your mat if you have one. Maybe we tent up the fingertips, taking a juicier stretch where the legs meet the torso. And then we'll begin to release, sliding the hands back towards the torso. We'll begin to take our right leg out. So imagine taking it out to the side, left ankle in contact with the mat. Maybe the sole of the foot begins to suction towards that right leg. Back of the right hand coming onto the thigh. Left hand coming on to the thigh itself, opening up the chest. Imagine the heart shining at a diagonal. We can stay here. If you want to take it a bit further, fingertips might come onto that right collarbone. Imagine the thumb coming to where the collarbones meet, spreading the fingers. Add a little bit of pressure. And we'll begin to lift the torso up, so the shoulders are over the sit bones, taking a gentle twist. Right hand coming onto that left knee or thigh, left hand behind. As we release the twist, we'll begin to frame that right leg, and we're going to begin to fold down. Hands might be in contact with the earth. Maybe we take it along the leg, depending on how much support you want to fold in. And we'll begin to lift the torso. With support, beginning to bend that left knee. So the foot coming to the earth, left arm coming on the inside. Again, right hand to the thigh, lengthening the spine. So a slight difference if we're facing forward with a heart rather than a diagonal. We'll begin to ease. We're taking that left leg out as we begin to bring this right foot down. Again, maybe in the vicinity, maybe we suction in towards that left leg. Back of the hand, maybe the beginning of the forearm. Right hand to the thigh. We're spiraling this time, opening up the chest. Fingertips might begin to come towards the collarbone. Imagine the two fingers coming where the collarbone and the shoulder might meet. Beginning to release, we'll twist the left hand onto that right knee or thigh. Gazing over to the side or maybe over the shoulder. Gently beginning to release. We'll begin to frame and then maybe fold over that left leg. Lifting the gaze. With support, we'll begin to bend that left knee, heel, maybe sole of the foot. Back of that left arm coming onto the inside. Right hand onto the thigh again. We're facing forward. Gently releasing, rounding the spine as we begin to come back through to our seated position. As we come back through to our seated, hands onto the thighs of the knees, and we'll take a lovely circle spiraling of the spine. Taking the shoulders over the sit bones. So eventually taking the hands together at the heart, we'll gently begin to bow the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being and your practice. So thank you for taking this very short seated flow with me. If you still would like to continue practicing, I would advise pausing the video, rewinding, and do a repeat. So the body will get more of a muscle memory if you like. Otherwise, have an amazing day and I'll see you again soon.